Hi, most of us wants to complete the assigned tasks or planned goals in a rush. We would like to have a success in professional life, personal life and spiritual life in no time. And most of us deviates the established process for completion of task in no time. Why Due to less patience, and we always look for quick fixes. And in 1 or 2 years we would like to become either millionaire or billionaire. My dear friends, students, quick fixes don't work. All enduring inner change requires time and effort. To reach your destination, you must not get hung up on the outcome. Instead, enjoy the process of personal expansion and growth. Ironically, less you focus on the end result, the quicker it will come. So, we should not concentrate more and more on your end results. We need to try to focus on our work. So let me have one classic example. One young boy who travelled far from his home to study under a great teacher like Dronacharya. When he met the wise old man, his first question was, "How long will it take me before I am as wise as you?" The response came immediately as 5 years from the master. "This is a very long time," the boy replied. "How about if I work twice as hard?" Then master replied as, "It will take 10 years. Boy started telling, 10 years? That is too far and too long. How about if I studied all day and well into the night and every night? Then master told, "It will take 15 years. The boy shocked. And he said that, "I don't understand. Every time I promise to devote more energy to my goal, you tell me that it will take longer. Why?" The answer is very simple. With one eye fixed on the destination, there is only one left to guide you along the journey. You don't have third eye. Right? So my dear student, please be patient and live with the knowledge that you are searching for. You should not be in hurry and rush to accomplish your goals. So to accomplish our goals, what we should do? We need to liberate the power of the mind. You must first be able to harness it and divert its focus only to the task in hand. The moment you concentrate the focus of your mind on a singular purpose, extraordinary gifts will appear within your life. Let us have one riddle why concentrated mind is required. Say you were lost in the woods in the middle of the winter. You desperately needed to stay warm. All you have with you is a letter your best friend has sent to you, a tin of dry fish and a small magnifying glass that you carry to compensate your fading eyesight. Luckily, you could find some dry sticks, dry wood, but unfortunately you have no matchbox and no matches. How would you light the fire? My dear students, don't give up. It is very simple. Place the letter among the dry wood, hold the magnifying glass over it. The rays of the sun will be focused so as to ignite the fire within a matter of seconds. This analogy holds true for the mind. When you concentrate its tremendous power on definite, meaningful objectives, you will quickly ignite the flames of your personal potential and produce brilliant and excellent results. So, please focus on single goal or task rather than focusing multiple tasks. I am sure you will get success in achieving your targets. Stay tuned for next motivational video on Mark of Untrained Mind. If you like the channel, please subscribe and share others. Thank you.